Good morning, dear students, and welcome you all in the class of mathematics. And this is the third video for this week, and here I will explain some more problems based on division of decimals, and then after that some concept based on the word problems on division of decimal numbers and division of whole number also. So all you try to understand these topics. Yes students, it is chapter number 3, decimals for standard 7th mathematics. Okay, and the topic is division of decimal numbers by decimal numbers. Okay, so we can understand such questions with the help of some examples. You can see if the number is 30.94 divided by 0.7, okay, then this you will write as 30.94 by 0.7. okay, so this you can write now. It is 30.94 into 10, and downside denominator also 0.7 into 10. What I am doing, I am converting the denominator into whole number. Okay, converting the denominator into whole number. So the number will be now 309.4 by 7. Okay, this by multiplying with 10, since the number 10 has 1 0 only, so the decimal point will shift right side by one place. Okay, here down at the denominator also the decimal point will shift towards the right side by one place. So now you have to divide 309.4 by 7. So we can divide here to get this answer. Number is 309.4 divided by 7. So this will come 7 into 4 times 28. After that, this division you can do easily. 9 comes from upside, again 4, 28. Now the digit 4 will come downside, and which is written, and which is a decimal digit, which you can say it is 4 is a digit written after decimal point. 4 is a digit written after decimal point. So first you have to put the decimal point here, then this 4 will come downside. Okay, and 4 is less than 7. Okay, this you can see this, and here one remainder also there, and now this 4 will come here. 29 minus 28 is 1. This 2 and 2 you will cut. Now this 4 has come downside. Now 7 into 2 times this 14 is divisible. Okay, that means the result will come 0 here. The denominator will come 0. Then your answer will be 44.2. 44.2. Okay, here 29 minus 28 is 1. After that 4 comes downside. So 4 is a digit written after decimal point. So first you will put the point here. Then 7 into 2, 14 times, then it is 0. So the answer is 44.2. Similarly see the second question. That is we can divide such as 76.5 divided by 0.15. Okay, then you will do this 76.5 by 0.15. okay, now you will convert the denominator into whole number first. To convert this denominator into whole number, you will multiply with 100. So 76.5 into 100, at the denominator also 0.15 into 100. Okay, then result will be 15 downside, upside 7650. So it is here, you may see this 7650 by 15. Now you can divide this, you will divide, it will come by dividing 510. This time what is happening, that numerator also comes as whole number only and denominator is also whole number, so it is now a normal division only, result will come 510. So this way we can divide any decimal number by another decimal number by converting denominator into whole number. Okay, so one more question you can try. Third number is 2.73 divided by 1.3. So you will do what, that is 2.73 by 1.3. Okay, 2.73 by 1.3, then multiply, then 2.73 numerator by 10 and denominator also by 10 to convert this denominator into whole number. This decimal point will shift one digit right side, then convert it into the whole number. So this will be 27.3 by 13, because you know when multiplying with 10 then the decimal point moves towards right side. So now you will divide this 27.3 with 13, then 13 into 2 times 26, 1 is remainder, and now this decimal point right here, 3 comes downside, then 13 into 1 time 13, that will come 0 as remainder. So the number is 2.1. Okay, this number will give you the result 2.1. Yes, now some word problems we will see. See that it is written here, the product of two decimal numbers is 3.392 if one of them is 1.6. Find the other number. So you may write that in solution, that product of two decimal is 3.392 and one of them is 1.6. Therefore the other number equals to you may write that the product divided by one of the given number. Product is 3.392. This is the rule, that product of these two number divided by one of the given number. So given number is, one of them is 1.6, so divide with that. Then again the same rule, 3.3 multiply with 10, then it will convert into whole number. Multiply the denominator converted into whole number. Number is 33.92 by 16. Now divide it with 16. Here I am dividing. See all. That's 33.92. This number becomes 33.92. Okay. So that will be now 16 into 2 times 32, 1 remainder. Now 9 will come after the decimal point, so decimal point first put it here, because we are using the digit after decimal, so first put the decimal here. Okay, then 16 into 1 time 16, 3 is remainder, then 2 comes, then 16 into 2 times 32. So remainder will be 0 here. That means this will come 2.12. Okay. Yes, now the next question is, a car covers a distance of 22.8 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. Then how much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? Okay, so you will write the statement like this, that distance covered in 2.4 liters equals to 22.8 km Therefore, you can write that distance covered in 1 liter petrol. Therefore, distance covered in 1 liter petrol equals to 22.8 divided by 2.4 by the unitary method. Then you may write that 22.8 by 2.4. Then divide here, first multiply this 22.8 into 10 and 2.4 into 10. That will be, you will see 228 by 24. Then you can cut this width. You can say that 4 into 6 times 24 and this 4 into 5 times 20, then 2 and 8, total 57. So this will come 57 by 6 ultimately. So by dividing, you will divide this value 57 divided by 6. 6 into 9 times 54, that comes 3. Then on decimal point you will give, then here 0 will come. Then 6 into 5 times 30. When you will give the decimal point, then only here 1 0 it will give. Now 6 into 5 times 30, so remainder is 0. The number is 9.5. Okay, that means 9.5 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. Distance covered in 1 liter petrol is 9.5 kilometer. So now in homework you will solve exercise 3D question number 7 to 13. 7 to 13 from R.S. Agrawal. This you will do from R.S. Agrawal only. And now in NCERT exercise 2.7 question number 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay, thank you.